Hello everyone, welcome to you all and welcome to our channel, that is Solid Master. So today we will make our new sketch in AutoCAD, that is this one. In this I will show you how to make the hatching lines in hatch tool command, as you see here. And in this I will show you how to make the center line like this. This is a full arc sketch that I have made here. So in this tutorial you will see how to create this by using circle arc and arc tool command. So let's go to make it. Select here new, select here drawing template as this one and open it, DWG, OK. And now first set our units, so I will press here UN, enter, and here precision will be 0.0 and units will be millimeters, and click OK. Now first of all I will enter here Z, enter, that is zoom, and A, that is all centers dynamic extend, A, enter. Now it will regenerate our graphics, as we can easily draw here, and easily we will zoom our sketch. Now press in your keyboard, that is C, enter, that is circle. Select here anywhere and press D, enter. Parameter will be 18 mm diameter. So now again go to circle tool command, specify the center point like this. First of all I will on here ortho mode by pressing F8 and make here radius as 22.5 mm radii. OK. Now both the circle we have created here. Now again press spacebar to enter in circle tool command. Specify the center point of both concentric circles. Select here midpoint, center, and this time I will make 40 mm radius of arc. See, here we have created. Now if you want to make this center line, so go select your left click and then right click on it, and go to properties. Here we don't have any line type, so close it. For this I will go to line style, so press here L, enter. Here you can see one option, that is line type. Go to your line type. As you can see here we have not loaded any center line here, so go to here load. Select this one, OK. Again go to load, select here this one or this, OK, and click here OK. Now again select this one, right click on it and go to properties. Now in line type, click here, underscroll this and select here center line and then close it. As you see here, we have created our line. Press here escape button. Now go to line command, select here line command, enter as L. Make here one horizontal axis line and one incline line. For this I will go to polar tracking mode, that is F10. And if you want to make any angle line, a line which having different angles, so go to your track setting. I have already made here 47 degree of it angle, so select this and click OK. Now select this end point here and close the ortho mode. As you can see here, we have made our 47 degree angle. Click OK, enter. Now we will mirror this line. So go to MI, enter. As you can see here, mirror. Here also you can see the icon of it. Select this line and press right click on your mouse button. Select this first point and up to here. Erase source object it says, so click on no. OK. Now again go to circle here. Select one intersection point. Make one circle. And make here 8 mm radius. OK. Again go to circle here. OK. And go to here parameters. Here any equal is there in relation, so select here equal. Select first object, this one, and second will be this one. So it is already equal. Exit. Now here we will create some one slot here. So I will go to here again circle. Select the center point of this. Till here make it tangent. Again go to circle, select this end point and drag it up to here, this end corner of this both the two circles, that should be perpendicular it. OK. Now here we have to trim here, so select here trim command and press right click. Delete this all extra arc that we don't want. OK. Now again go to circle. Select here this point or select here this intersection point. Make here arc as radius 14 mm. OK. Now I will mirror this. So go to here mirror tool command in modify. Select this arc and press right click button. Now select this end point and make here this arc. and source of object will be known. Now we will create here again one slot, outer slot. So go to circle, intersect this, again go to spacebar, circle, go to here trim, press here right click on your mouse, trim all these arcs that we don't want, press enter. Now here also we have to create one arc by using 3-point arc command. So select this endpoint up to this, adjust this properly, okay. Now we have to trim this, so go to trim command, press here right click and press enter. Now see it is a tangent or not, so go to here parameters, select here constant as tangent, select this arc and this, make it tangent first, again go to this tangent here, select this arc and this, make it tangent. As you see here we have created this. Now we will mirror it first. So go to mirror, select this arc, right click on it and here drag this here like this. As you see here we have created our arc here also. Now again go to TR, enter, that is trim, again one click on it, trim these entities that we don't want. Yeah, now it is looks nice, but it is one section, we have to create another also. So for this also I will use here mirror, sorry this is trim I have selected, escape, select here mirror, select all the entities that we want here, and press right click button, select here endpoint and be sure that we have to make this mirror horizontally by dragging this and select up to this quadrant and error source will be no. So as you see here we have created another section also, only just we have to trim it. So go to here trim, select right click button, again press right click button, we don't want this one also, extra center line that we have created here. This one also should be deleted. Again go to mirror here, select this arc, right click on it and drag up to this point. So if you want, you can delete these lines also, so that our geometric will look nice. Now if you want to hatching you have to give it. So go to here, hatch tool command, and first of all it says that hatch peak internal point. So select the object here like this. See, it automatically hatched it, but we want here some 45-degree angle. So I will choose this and close it. See, it looks nice. Only just we have to give some dimensions. So give here dimension as per your need. So I am giving here some dimensions. Like this one. Here also same as it is. Sorry, this is a diameter in the circle, so I will make this diameter. So if you want to give angle also, you can give it, selecting this angle, but here no line is there, so we will create one rough line. Yeah. So that's how our sketch is completed. Our geometry is finished. I hope you like this video. So please subscribe our channel so that we make more and more projects for you in AutoCAD, PTC Creo and SolidWorks. Thank you for watching it. Good night.